Have you ever noticed that some people never post their photos online? No selfies, no stories, almost nothing. Are they shy, insecure, or is there something deeper behind it? The answer might surprise you. First, they love privacy. These people don't like sharing everything with the world. They feel more comfortable keeping their personal life to themselves. Second, they don't need likes. They don't depend on likes, comments, or online attention. Their confidence comes from within, not from social media. Third, they live in the moment. Instead of taking photos all the time, they focus on enjoying the experience. For them, real life matters more than posting about it. Fourth, they think before sharing. They know that anything posted online can stay there for years. That's why they are careful about what they share. Fifth, they value real relationships. They prefer real conversations and genuine connections. Online popularity is not their main priority, so the next time you see someone who never posts their photos online, don't assume there's something wrong with them. In many cases, they're simply choosing privacy, peace, and real-life experiences over online attention. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.